vid I'm going to discuss about count records tool in Alteryx. So at here this is the Alteryx designer, and in last tutorial that I discussed about how to calculate running total. So next let's see about the add here count record. So here first I'm going to use input data, and let's use add here Oracle 1. So going to import the Oracle table. So here going to use employees. Now if I click on start, so it will select all the columns, and let's okay, press OK. Now hereafter go to transform tab, and here you can drag count records. So count record is generally used to count the rows. So here if you click this, here you get the description count records. So count the record passing through the data stream. A count of 0 return if no data pass through. So no value, then it returns 0. Now let's drag the link. Let's go to report tool, and here report text. Drag the link, and when you run this workflow, so here to workflow at here it's running, and here this is the incoming records on record tools, and when that pass, after that here 107, it's counting total 107 rows. So if I select there, here you can see 107 record displaying. That means 107, no any hidden records are there. So this is the very simplest tool in Alteryx. So you can count the value of any files. So here let's import data, and here going to use one CSV file, and only tools are there. Let's take transform count records. Now here after we need to go report, and here report text, and here after when you run this, so here you can see the drag down here. So these two records, incoming records, it's coming, and so that here it's counting only 2. So by using count we can only count total numbers of rows. Okay, and in upcoming video I will discuss about summarize transfer this all. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.